Hey Tom, Orlando Gonzalez with Soaring SEO. I appreciate you taking my call earlier and I appreciate you clicking on this video. In this video, man, I simply just want to show you three things that you can implement yourself um, onto your website and onto your Google page in order to get you ranked up higher to get you more customers through the door. Now, you're probably asking yourself why, right? Why would I be sending you a video like this? I've seen that most business owner and being a business owner myself, I've seen that most times they don't have time. You guys don't have time. You're running a business. You're dealing with employees, with customers. You don't have the time to come in here, do the research on the internet, and do the due diligence and see how it actually benefits the growth of a business. And I've seen that by sending videos like this out has resulted in, yes, some companies go out and do it themselves and has shown great results from it. And some other companies have said, hey, you know what, Orlando, we'd love to work with you. So, Tom, if by the end of this video you believe that I have plenty of tricks up my sleeve that can really benefit your company, send me a message and we'll chat. Or if you simply just want to go ahead and do this yourself, like I said, that is absolutely fine with me. All I ask is for a review on the video on how I did. So, Tom, let's just get right into it. I don't want to waste any more of your time. The three things that we'll be talking about are content, citations, and backlinks. Those will be the three most important things that Google is going to be looking at when they come in here to rank your page. Now, with content, like they say, content is king, and you want to have plenty of it. What we've seen, the average on that first page of the top 10 ranked on Google, their websites have all been around 1,500 to 2,000 words. So when you come in here, and that is going to be including pictures and videos. So if we come in here and you see everything that I'm going to be highlighting, that is going to be considered content in Google's eyes. If we come in here, highlight everything, we'll click it, and we'll come in here to word count, and we'll see and it says you have 349 words. So you're a little shy of it, but very doable, especially with you guys being an HVAC company with the different services that you guys provide. That won't be a problem. And from what I see here, you guys do residential, commercial. You guys do it all. You guys do regular maintenance checks, emergencies. Um, so you guys do it all. I mean, furnace change outs. The weather is changing, so you guys can implement those services that you guys provide. Add-ons, furnace change outs. Uh, all those things, swamp coolers, all those services that you guys provide, add them in there. But you don't want to just stop there. You want to add keywords or key phrases. Now, if you're asking yourself, what is a keyword? A keyword is a search term that people would come in to look in Google to find your business or to find your service. So here, this is the Google, the word search that I'm going for is Phoenix AC repair. Now, from you can see here that that's getting 590 searches every single month. So by you guys not being on this front page, you guys are really missing out on a lot of business there. Now, with citation, that will be the next thing here. As you can see here, this map area. This is called Google Map Pack or Google My Business, whichever one you want to call it. Now, a citation, all a citation is the name of your company, the address, and your phone number. That is all citation is, and you're trying to get your citation and that information on as many directories as possible. Some examples of that would be like Yelp, Yellow Page, Facebook, LinkedIn, local Yahoo. I know there's a bunch of them out there that you can go out there and get. And what you really want to do in order to get yourself in this top area on this top spot when people look up Phoenix AC repair, especially right now, and when the temperature changes, there'll be furnace repair and so forth. You really want to implement that, but you want to find what your competition is doing because the citations that they have on their page, obviously they're good enough to rank them, so they'll be good enough to rank you. So you want to see what citations they're getting from where they're getting from, and then add your citation on there, add your information onto that page. Some will be easier than others, but it's very doable. All you have to do is put in the time and the research on there. And I'll show you here in a quick second the tool that you can use or the tool that I use in order to get that. But there's plenty of tools out there that are free for you to use. Um, in this area here, this third area, this is the organic search area. This is where backlinks come in here. How you really want to look at backlinks is it's a popularity contest. Google is a huge popularity contest. All they're trying to see is your website, your URL, your link on as many websites as possible. Now, keep this in consideration. Not all backlinks and citations are created equal, so you really want to go out there and grab something that is relatable to your HVAC company. You don't want to go out there, say you guys do a good job. I'll give you a good example. If you guys do a good job, say you guys do maintenance for a Pizza Hut, a Domino's, or anything food related, a restaurant or something, they give you guys a link to your page. It's not, in Google's eyes, it's not relatable. It's not the same. It's not in the same industry, so it's not going to give you that link juice. So what it is site A, that say that Pizza Hut or whatever, is gonna give you a link back to your homepage, which yours is site B, and that site is gonna act as the link juice. The juice is gonna give you power on your domain, and is gonna give you that power to give you the authority to be on this front page, because that's what Google's looking for. It's trying to find which ones are the most reliable websites, which ones are the most trustworthy websites. So that's where that trustworthy comes in, is by you getting sites and backlinks from, say, maybe what you want to go out there and get is another HVAC company that's adjacent to you guys in Arizona, maybe in a different place, a different city, a different town, whatever the case is. Distributors, supply houses, subcontractors, contractors, general contractors. Those are the places that you want to go out there and get some backlinks. Those are related to your topic, and that's where you'll get your most power from. Now, if we come in here to Ahrefs, this is a great tool. It's called Ahrefs, Ahrefs. It is a couple $100 a month, but it is a great tool to show you kind of what's working for you guys and what's not. As from what I can see here, you guys are fairly new. From the activity that I can see was from July of last year, the summer of last year, from majority of the activity that's gone on, which is really cool. That's awesome. You guys are brand new to it, so you guys have a lot to go and a lot to grow, which would be very easy. It's very doable. I came in here so you can see that you only have 3 referring domains, giving you 5 backlinks. Now, the reason that you don't have any here, no data or no domain rating, is because those backlinks maybe aren't, like we talked about just a second ago, aren't maybe as reliable. So you want to go in there. We'll go over here quick second. We'll read visit everything. So with content, 1,500 words to 2,000 words, you want to implement these keywords. So if we take this per se, and we come in here and look up on your website, it's nowhere to be found, this keyword that's getting over 590 searches every single month. So when you write up this new content, you want to add that in a couple times, and another keywords, relatable keywords or key phrases that you want to get found for as the seasons progress in the year. Citation, name of your company, address, and phone number. You want to get that information in as many directories as possible. Go in there, look at your competition. You want to come in here. You want to look at what Just Air LLC has, Day and Night, Desert Diamond Mechanical. All these guys, whatever they have as citations, you want to go in there and you want to grab them, see what they have. As you can see here real quick, you can see Parker's and Sons, what they have as numbers. We can come in here, look at their backlinks, and this is what you want to do. And there's plenty of tools out there that are free that you can go out there and get, backlink checkers, citation checkers, all that stuff will go out there, and those are all completely free that will give you this information. What you want to do is you want to come in here, grab these. Some of them will be easier and than others, like Yellow Page, like you can see, Home Advisor, website list, Groupon. So he has some bigger ones that he's advertising on and putting that information on. But if you keep looking through these, you will see the ones that you're gonna want to go get. You want to go out there and grab it. If they have over 1,000, you want to go in there and get 1,500. So you just want to go in there and overdo it so you can get here on this front page. Front page on here, get more citations, and to be front page on this area, this organic search area, get as many backlinks as possible. So with that, Tom, that kind of wraps that everything up. I hope to hear from you soon, man. Like I said, you can take all this stuff, implement it, you'll get the results. The faster you do this, the faster you're going to get those results. I would just look at your competition, do a copycat. If it's good enough to work for them, those citations, those backlinks are good enough to rank them in that top 10. It's going to be good enough to rank you. So just go in there, grab what they have, and then just do a little bit beyond that. Content, keep writing it, keep putting out some good information on your services. The more content, the more that it appears um, of your professionality on the subject of heating and air conditioning, with your AC, with furnaces, with changeouts, with everything that you guys do with construction, new construction, whatever the case is, remodels, whatever the case is. If not, if you guys don't want to do this and you don't want to take that time to do the research and do this, give me a call and we'll see how I can help your business. My number is 719-924-7601. Look forward to speaking with you, Tom. Have a good one.